Welcome to PHP tutorial. In this tutorial we will learn how to handle text box into the PHP. The following three steps are used to handle text box into the PHP. Step 1. In step 1 we design the HTML program named demo.html. Demo.html program contains the HTML code. This HTML code is responsible for user interface, which is used to take input by the user. Step 2. In step 2 we design the PHP program named demo.php. This program is responsible how to capture the HTML forms data and how to perform operation on the data. Step 3. In step 3 we must run the HTML program. Now I start the Notepad++ editor, or you can use it general editor like Notepad to design the HTML program. Click on File, New, and from the language menu I set the languages HTML. First I type HTML tag followed by head followed by title tag. Here I set the default title as handling text box in PHP. I close the title tag. After title tag I close the head tag. After head tag I start the body tag. In body tag I use form tag, which is used to design HTML form. The form tag contains three attributes. First one is name, which is form1. Second attribute is method. Method attribute contains two values, either post or get. If we will use post, all the forms data will transfer into the encoded format. If I use get, all the forms data will transfer as a part of URL. In this example I use the post method. And last attribute is action. It is very important attribute. This attribute contains the name of PHP program, which is demo.php. After this I display a message, enter a value, and after this message I create a simple text box with the help of input tag. Input name equals to P1. This name must be unique, and type equals to text. After this I use BR tag for line change, and finally I want to create a submit button. Input name equals to S1, type equals to submit, and value equals to click. After this I close the all tag form. Next one is body, and last one is HTML. Here you can see, to create a form we must use the form tag. This form tag contains three attributes. First one is name attribute. A single web page contains n number of forms. Therefore, we must assign a unique name for every form. Second attribute is method. Method attribute determine how to send forms data from HTML page to PHP. This method takes two values, either post or get. The post attribute transfer all the data into the encoded format. If we use get attribute transfer all the information as a part of URL, which is also called as query string. Next attribute is action attribute. Action attribute contains the name of PHP program. When we click on submit button, automatically all the forms data will transfer to the demo.php. Now this file is complete. I save it. Click on file menu, save. All the PHP program must be saved into the C drive, XAMPP folder, and in XAMPP folder you can see htdocs folder. My file name is demo.htm. Click on save. Now I am creating PHP files. For this, click on file, new, set the language PHP. Every PHP file or program must start with PHP tag. In this PHP file, I declare a variable $T1. We can declare variable in PHP with the help of dollar symbol. $T1 equals to $_ post, and here I pass the name of text box control. Here you can see $T1 is a variable, $post is a global array which is used to fetch data from HTML program to PHP program. When we click on submit button, all the forms data automatically stored into the $post global array. Here I pass the name of text box control, which is T1. Therefore, T1 text box control values is automatically stored into the $T1 variable. After this, I just print the value of $T1 variable. Therefore, I use the echo function, and in this function I pass the name of variable, which is $T1. Now our file is ready. Click on file, save. This file also must be saved into the C drive, XAMPP, htdocs, and file name is demo.php. Click on save. Now our both files are saved. In step 3, I start XAMPP. Click on Apache start button, MySQL start button, and Tomcat start button. I minimize it. Now I start the web browser. Click on web browser icon. Here we must run the HTML program. For this, I type http://localhost/demo.htm and press enter. Here you can see the interface. I type here welcome, and I click on click button. Here you can see the output. In this tutorial, you have learned how to handle text box into the PHP. If you like this video, subscribe to my channel, share this video on Facebook, Twitter, Blogger. If you have any doubt or query, kindly contact us on the given email address or mobile number. Thank you for watching my video, and don't forget to subscribe my channel.